Welcome to our quick guide on trimming audio in VLC Media Player. Let's get started. First, open VLC and load your audio file by clicking Media and selecting Open File from the menu. Now, navigate to View and select Advanced Controls to reveal the trimming features. Next, use the red record button to start and stop trimming your audio segment. When finished, your clipped audio will be saved automatically in your music folder. And there you have it. You've successfully trimmed your audio in VLC. Enjoy your edits. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try trimming different clips to gain confidence. Don't forget to explore other features of VLC for a full editing experience. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your support in helping us grow our community of learners. Until next time, keep creating with VLC.